Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming identity, consent, and a completed MRI safety checklist because safety prevents accidents. Once done, choose the correct coil and protocol. Field strength and sequence determine image contrast, then mount the coil securely. Position the patient supine, center the anatomy at isocenter, and pad pressure points for comfort. Explain the call button and ear protection. Start with a quick localizer to ensure alignment. You do this to save time and avoid repeats, so check images immediately for positioning errors. Now you execute the core sequences. Start with localizers, then proceed in the planned order. T1, T2, flare, diffusion, and contrast-enhanced scans when indicated, because consistent ordering reduces errors. Adjust TR, T, slice thickness, FOV, and matrix to balance resolution versus scan time. Increase averages to boost SNR if needed. Monitor SAR and artifact warnings if motion appears. Apply gating or respiratory triggering and coach the patient to breathe shallowly. Make small parameter tweaks rather than repeating whole protocols to save time and maintain quality. Finish by reviewing images at the console for adequate coverage, motion, and diagnostic quality so you don't miss repeat opportunities. If you see artifacts, immediately rerun the specific sequence with motion correction, increased bandwidth, or altered spacing, and consider swapping coils if SNR is low. This targets the problem without rescanning everything. Make sure to document contrast dose and any patient reactions. Relay urgent findings to the referring clinician and give clear post-scan instructions. One troubleshooting tip: if persistent noise appears, check connections and perform a quick coil restart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.